trends we're seeing in food product development at the moment include a lot of vegan and vegetarian product development. We're also seeing a move to clean label, reducing the number of ingredients on the labels. We're seeing sugar reduction, which includes reduction in food and drink because of the push from Public Health England to reduce the amount of sugar in our products. And we're also seeing lots of different flavours coming in from around the world. We are seeing that consumers are looking for shorter labels, cleaner labels, more recognisable ingredients, and that does cause some issues when trying to improve the products from a nutritional perspective by reducing sugar or reducing fat, because some of the ingredients we may have used in the past are becoming less acceptable to consumers, so ingredients such as high potency sweeteners. We are seeing a rise in naturally derived sweeteners such as stevia, but they have some issues with the aftertaste and can't replace the bulk of sugar in products. So we have to look to other ingredients. And again, we're looking for more of those naturally derived ingredients to be able to provide that bulk. With the move to vegan and vegetarian product development, we're seeing a lot of companies coming to us asking for support to develop new products. They're looking to not just replicate the taste and texture of meat or the dairy product that they're looking to replace, but they're also looking to replicate the nutritional profile of those products as well in terms of protein and some of the micronutrients that consumers may be missing out by moving to a vegan diet. The challenges with this are to provide that mouthfeel that meat or dairy might provide, and also to give the taste and the succulence from those products. So we are looking to new ingredients and new combinations of ingredients to be able to do that whilst bearing in mind this trend for clean label and natural ingredients. The ingredient sector is very active in bringing new ingredients to the market, and they are being very responsive to these consumer demands. We are seeing new proteins being developed, particularly the plant protein area is very fast moving at the moment. We're seeing lots of new proteins coming out, and not just the different botanical sources but also different forms of protein, so the texturized proteins which can be used in meat and fish alternatives. We're looking for more ingredients in this area, also responding to consumer concerns around the sourcing of ingredients. So consumers want to know how that ingredient has been grown, to know that it is sustainable, and to know that it is providing the nutritional benefits that they are looking for. So we are seeing a lot of activity in the startup community in terms of new products in the vegan sector. And I can only see this continuing at the moment because the supermarkets seem to be very open to bringing in these new brands and giving these brands the opportunity to be successful in the marketplace. Consumers are very interested in trying these new products, and if they taste good and can deliver what the consumer's looking for, I think we'll continue to see growth in that area.